Greetings from Burbank. I just wanted to share with you this cool new palette that was gifted to me by best friend Meredith. Thanks, Mare. I love this palette. I use it often and I think of you every time I put it on. Love you. Ooh, so pretty. I really love these, and that's why I wanted to share this palette with you. If you were lucky enough to get this Ulta Beauty palette, I applaud you for having it because it's amazing. And I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to just bronze out your face a little bit, add a little bit of color, and look all fresh and healthy and kind of sun-kissed. Yes, I know, I look kind of ghostly. I went a little lighter on the face makeup. I'm going to show you how I can bronze it out and make it look really healthy and natural using that Ulta Beauty palette. These three, that's what I'm going to apply. Barbie and I like to hang out together while I put my makeup on. So I'm going to do it in my mirror here in my bedroom. I don't have central air conditioning. I have a wall unit, which is so super loud that I have to turn it off to be able to film, but it's so bloody hot in Burbank that turning off the air conditioning unit is like torture. I feel my face melting. I'm melting, help me, I'm melting. Oh, such a cruel world. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. I feel like what is that, the Wicked Witch of the East? The Wicked Witch of the West? I don't remember which one she was, East or West, but I'm West. In California, it is bloody hot. Plus, the little bungalow right next door to me is being renovated. There's lots of banging and electric power tools going on, and it's just been too noisy. That's why you haven't seen me for a little while. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I gotta go, my face is melting. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, bye. Wait, forgot to tell you one last thing. I use these also as eyeshadows. So on my eyes, let's get really close. On my eyes right now. I did this all over the eyelid, and then in the crease, I put this one. So it also doubles as fantastic eyeshadow. That's all. See you later.